Yes, start. May I strike a certain personal note and then go on to other considerations? Question mark. We may generation in India have been conditioned in particular ways by events. Stop. There is the background of 2000 years or more. Stop. There is the conditioning we have had during the 150 or 200 years of British rule. Stop. And then there is the big conditioning during the last 30 or 35 years of what is called the Gandhian movement. Stop. We are the resultants of these various conditioning factors. Stop. If you want to understand us, you have to understand these conditioning factors. Stop. That is so about me and my government in India. Stop. That applies to the world at large also. Stop. We have to understand other people's basic conditioning factors, their past history, traditions, habits, conflicts, etc., and more particularly the recent history of the last half a century or so. Stop. Countries like India and China have millennia of history. Stop. It is not an easy matter for me, whatever new knowledge I may gather, to get out of the 2000 years of Indian history. Stop. So also with other countries, yet in order to understand another country, it is no good looking at it through the spectacles of our own country. Stop. If an Indian presumes with his Indian background of judge England or Germany or Russia, we will probably not be objective enough. Stop. Now the China living our past history, it has been conditioned for more than 50 years. Stop. Over.